Hi, my name is Adisorn Lertsinsrubtavee. I am a research associate from computer department at University of Cambridge. So I'm working with a small team in a computer department called N4D Lab, where we try to do a lot of research in terms of finding the affordable solution for internet connectivity, especially for the developing country. When I completed my PhD in 2014, I went back to Thailand. So I joined work with Professor Sana. We tried to deploy the first community network in Thailand called Darknet. So in that case, so we at that time when we started the project, the network infrastructure is not ready in those areas. So we went to the location of the Darknet is in Tak province, which is the border between Thailand and Burma in the northern part. At that time, the village that we went there called Thai Samaki village. The ADSL cable is just only 2 cables, which is but the population of that village is about 100 households, which is of course not sufficient. That's why we try to find out the solution that how can we help these people to connect the internet. And then we come up with the idea of the community wireless mesh network, where we try to use the community devices like a wireless router and using the ad hoc interfaces to create the mesh topologies in order to extend the Wi-Fi signal. And then we set up the infrastructure, and then we share the internet as a gateway. Of course, the cost, we can reduce the cost before, if they pay for the ISP, so the internet subscription fee is going to be about $30 at that time. But with our solution, so we can reduce the cost from $30 to about $5. So, and then we are happy, everyone happy. And many people also, this is the first time they use internet as well at that time in 2014. And at the end, we went back again to, I think in 2015, to conduct some social interview with the help, with the cooperation with the University of Cambridge that I work for. So we found that at that time, the internet user increasing from 10 to 200 users in 1 year, in 1 or 2 years. And also, we can create a lot of incentive, a lot of demand for the internet user as well. When we went back again, we seen that ISP came to the village, and they deploy more cables and connect more people as well. So yeah, in conclusion, so we are very happy that our project is quite successful. First, we can connect more people. The villagers can use internet for their business, like their education or agricultural and so on. And yeah, at the end we summarize our project, we can be a catalyst for change, because we can not only changing the helping the people, but we also change the ISP as well. They can change their mind, they can see the impact or benefit of the people in the rural village as well. And yeah, and the gap of the digital divide can be shortened, through our solutions. The project started from 2012. So I joined Professor Kanchana in 2014 to deploy the first community network in Thailand. So actually, Darknet is located in the northern part of Thailand, called Tak province, which is considered as the lowest internet in terms of internet penetration, because they have only 18% in terms of internet penetration. So Tak province is a border between Thailand and Burma. When we went there at the beginning, we found that the network infrastructure is not enough. So there is very little incentive from the ISP to provide the internet connectivity over there, because they believe that they might difficult for them to make the revenues in those areas, because there could be a very low demand of internet access. The village that we choose called Thai Samaki village. At that time, we found that there's only 2 ADSL cables across the village, which the population is about 100 households. Of course, it's not sufficient for the people, And then we come back and try to think about what could be the solution, to help these people. And then we come up with the concept of community network, where we use the wireless mesh technologies. So we use the wireless router, which is off the shelf, like a home's wireless router we use in the house, and then we use the ad hoc interfaces of the router to create the mesh topologies in order to extend the coverage area of the Wi-Fi signal. Then the project starts going on, so we deploy about 20 nodes at the beginning, and then we give some training to the local people how to use internet and so on. So yeah, apart from that, we also do traffic measurement as well, try to understand that what kind of behavior of the user in that area. And we also conduct some social interviews as well. So we went to the village again to see what kind of progress like 2 years later. We found that at the beginning only 10 villagers know what is internet. But with our solution, that's only 1 year, right? The number of internet users increasing from 10 to almost 200 users, just only 1 or 2 years. So this is very successful. And also, we see that after 1 year, 2 years, the ISP come back again to the village and provide more internet access, because now they realize that there's a lot of demand of the user that they want to use internet in that area.